fact, I have set up mini farms, and I have come to realize something. Most of those I have set up farms to, most of them are older people who are 50 years and above. In fact, I see only few of the youth who have passion for fish farming. Why so? I was thinking the youth are lazy or something like that. But per my experience and my interaction with the farmers I set up the farms to, I have come out with some of the reasons why most people who set up or who are into fish farming are older people. I'll give up to you. I'll give you about 8 different reasons why most of those who set up fish farms are older people. But before then, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. My name is Abdulaziz Issa. I hold a bachelor degree in development education studies. However, I'm a fish farmer and I provide fish farming services. The first thing I notice is that older people, they have financial stability. People of 50 and above, they have savings, and some of them have planned for longer period. So because they have savings, they have pensions and other benefits in terms of finances, they are able to set up their farms easily as compared to the youth. The second thing is also that the elder people, they need safer investment for retirement. Now, most of them, they are getting up to the retirement stage and they want something that will be giving them another income when they retire, at least something small at the end of every month, and you'll be okay. Not only income after retirement, some of them, they see that as something that excite them. Be with their fish at the old age, most of the times without children around or grandchildren around, seeing the fish, eating them. When they are eating, they give them feed and they are consuming. They enjoy that, and because of that, they love it. For instance, one of my mentors, Amaru, he last told me that yeah, he's retired already, that he enjoys watching the fish daily. So you find him most at time with the fish in the morning, after always around the fish, excited about their behavior. And it's not alone, most of them are like that. Another reason is that the old people already have lands. And if you can have land, you have achieved more, let me say, more than half of the farming or the fish farm establishment cost. So because they have lands already, they can easily set up their farms. They have lands and other properties. But the youth, most of them are still living in family house, still living in rented places. So difficult to have land and other properties to set up their farms. Also, the youth, let me put it this way, they want fast money. Most of the youth, they want something that gives them money quickly. So even when they and fish farming is not like that. Fish farming takes at least 4 to 6 months to start getting uh, your products for sale. And most of the youth, they need fast one. So the other people have the patience to wait till that time to harvest their fish. But the youth, even when they start and they don't see that the money is coming quickly, they easily switch. That's also why most of the youth people are involved in gambling, such as betting and other aspect of gambling, which is not good. So I encourage the youth to go into that fish farming. Now, other people, they think of long time. Because they think of long time, they are not in hurry or they don't want quick money. They want something that will sustain them. So sustainability is very important to them. And that's one of the reasons why the other people involved in farm more. Apart from that, the other people understand agriculture very well. Most of them, they grew up either as farmers or close to farmers. And because they grew up as farmers or close to agriculture people, they love livestock and fish is included. But the youth, most of them, their parents or our parents give them to birth to us. We are no more, or they are no more in farming. Probably we have jobs or we are living in the cities. So because we are not exposed to agriculture, we have less interest in agricultural activities, and that includes fish farming. Also, one of the reasons is that older people, they understand and they need guidance from experts like us. People who want to establish their farms, and there are other people, they easily contact us to get them the farm installed and guide them towards. But the youth, they think that watching YouTube videos such as this or TikTok videos such as this is enough for them. And sometimes, unfortunately, it's not enough. Guidance is also important. So I also discovered that one of the reasons why the elder people involve our service more than the youth is like that. That is following guidance. That's the reason is that the elder people understand the opportunities involved in fish farming more than the younger people. So, and that is why we want to bridge that gap. And we give you this information on YouTube and other platforms. There are a lot of opportunities in fish farming. You can do a lot, and you can make a lot of money if you get it right. So, especially we the youth, we are energetic, we are strong, and we always complain about unemployment. So, what can you do for yourself? You can start small, grow, and scale up. You might not have enough money to start big, but starting small and scale up or go up is very important. So, if you are the youth, even another person, but I'm strongly encouraging the youth to go into fish farming because we are strong and energetic and we can easily learn and apply. Yes, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to learn more, we have our resources in the channel. Check them out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.